Hello everybody, today we have a fraction. So here we're going to be dividing what fraction. So one is a division, it's a different ballgame entirely, right? So this is not business as usual. So what we have here 5/6 divided by 2/3. These are two proper fractions being divided, right? So let's see what we're going to do right here. So we have 5/6 divided by what? 2/3. So yeah, I'm going to repeat the question. I have 5/6 divided by 2/3, right? So let's proceed and see what this holds. So what we're going to do right here, you see this division sign right here is going to change to what? Multiplication sign. And when it does that, this comes down, which is 2, and the 3 goes up, right? So let's see how we're going to do this real quick. So let me repeat the question right here once more. So I have 5/6 divided by 2/3, right? So when I have this, I'm going to have 5/6. So this is going to change to what? Multiplication sign. When it changes, I'm going to have 3 on top as a numerator. I'm going to have what? 2 as a denominator, right? So let's proceed. Here, I'm going to multiply then. I have 5 times 3 is going to give me what? 15, right? 6 times 2 is going to give me what? 6 times 2 will give me 12. Right? So at this junction, we can see there's something common between 15 and 12. What is that? Is what? 3. 3 can divide both of them perfectly, right? So we're going to choose what? 3 to divide both of them, right? So when 3 goes into 15, 3 goes to 15, we're going to have what? 5. 3 goes to 15, we have 5. 3 goes to 12, we have what? 4, right? So we proceed at this junction right here. So we're going to have 5/4, right? So at this junction, what we have right here is what? Improper fraction, because we have 4 carrying 5, which is not proper, because what 4 is carrying is bigger than 4. It's like a child carrying his mother. I always use the analogy to buttress my point, right? So yeah, I'm going to divide them. So in order to divide them, this is going to lead to what? Improper fraction. So here we have 5 divided by 4 is going to be what? One whole number 1/4. This is the answer. So let me repeat it here. One whole number 1/4. This is the answer. This is what a mixed fraction, right? Thank you so much for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe, like, and share. If there's any comment, leave it at the comment section below. Thank you so much. Please, I'm going to be having a course coming, a free course. You're going to be learning everything for free, the base of what? Indices or exponents whatsoever, logarithm, a lot of the algebra, everything is going to be coming here for free. You're not going to pay a dime. Thank you for watching, and endeavor to subscribe as I said. Bye.